3D printers in 2026 offer faster printing speeds, higher precision, and smarter features than ever before. From beginner-friendly models to advanced machines, users can create prototypes, tools, and creative designs with ease. With auto-leveling, AI monitoring, and multi-material support, modern 3D printers are perfect for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. After much research, I found these top 5 best 3D printers in 2026 much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Anycubic Cobra 3. The Anycubic Cobra 3 is a modern high-speed 3D printer designed for users who want fast printing, smart automation, and multicolor capabilities. It offers an impressive printing speed of up to 600 millimeters per second, allowing users to complete models much faster than traditional printers. One of its standout features is the elegoo 3.0 auto-leveling system with automatic Z offset, ensuring precise first layers without manual calibration. The printer also includes vibration compensation and flow calibration, which improve accuracy and reduce print defects. With a 250 by 250 by 260 mm build volume, it provides enough space for medium to large projects, while the 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end supports materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU. A major highlight is its optional multicolor printing system, supporting up to 8 colors for more creative designs. Combined with features like AI monitoring, filament detection, and power loss recovery, it ensures a smarter and more reliable printing experience. Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro 3D Printer. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is a highly popular budget 3D printer designed for beginners and hobbyists who want reliable performance with advanced features. It offers a generous 225 by 225 by 280 mm build volume, allowing users to create medium to large-sized models with ease. One of its standout features is the 36-point automatic bed leveling system, which ensures accurate first layers without manual adjustment, improving print quality and reducing setup time. It also includes a dual-gear direct drive extruder, providing stronger filament control and better performance with materials like PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. The printer features a PEI magnetic build plate, making model removal quick and easy, while the silent stepper motor drivers keep noise levels low for a quieter experience. Additional features like filament runout detection, power loss recovery, and a removable touchscreen add convenience and reliability. Overall, the Neptune 3 Pro is an excellent choice for users who want a feature-rich, easy-to-use, and affordable 3D printer in 2026. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact yet powerful 3D printer designed for beginners and hobbyists who want fast, high-quality printing with minimal setup. It features a 180 by 180 by 180 mm build volume, making it ideal for small to medium projects like models, tools, and home accessories. One of its biggest strengths is the full auto calibration system, which handles bed leveling, Z offset, vibration tuning, and flow calibration automatically, eliminating manual adjustments and ensuring consistent print quality. The printer supports high-speed printing with up to 10,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, delivering fast results without sacrificing precision. It also offers multicolor printing support via AMS Light, making it easy to create colorful designs. With features like auto-filament loading, silent operation under 48 decibels, and a user-friendly touchscreen interface, the A1 Mini provides a smooth and enjoyable experience. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3V3 SE is one of the best budget 3D printers in 2026, designed for beginners who want fast printing, easy setup, and reliable performance. It features a Sprite direct drive extruder, allowing smooth filament feeding and compatibility with materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU. One of its biggest highlights is the CR Touch Auto Leveling System with Auto Z Offset, which removes the need for manual calibration and ensures a perfect first layer every time. It also supports fast printing speeds up to 250 millimeters per second, making it significantly quicker than older entry-level printers. The printer offers a 220 by 220 by 250 millimeter build volume, suitable for most hobby and functional projects. Its dual Z-axis and linear shaft design improves stability and print quality, reducing wobble during operation. With features like auto-filament loading, a user-friendly UI, and quick assembly in about 20 minutes, Flashforge Adventurer 5M. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a high-speed, beginner-friendly 3D printer designed for users who want fast printing, reliable performance, and easy setup. It features a Core XY all-metal structure, which improves stability and reduces vibrations, allowing precise printing even at high speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second. One of its biggest advantages is the automatic leveling system, eliminating manual calibration and ensuring consistent first layers for better print quality. It also includes a direct drive extruder with 280 degrees Celsius support, making it compatible with materials like PLA, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber filaments. The printer offers a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume suitable for most projects, along with a flexible PEI build plate for easy model removal. Quick-release nozzles allow tool-free swapping in just seconds, improving convenience and versatility. With 95% pre-assembled design, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a touchscreen interface, that's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.